against my judgment, I had accidentally driven through this knowing that there was a lot of water, and it basically killed my battery, and I think it's affecting my engine as well.
Courtney Smith's efforts to get to work on Thursday came to a standstill when she drove into standing water here at Sheldon and Cherry Hill in Canton. Her Hyundai Elantra among at least 5 vehicles that were trapped in what now looks like a stream instead of a street. While our cameras were rolling, we caught several other cars trying to maneuver through the floodwaters.
I would normally not drive through standing water, but it was pitch black. It was hard.
A similar story for Diane Klosterman, who got stuck when she took a turn and didn't realize there was water on the road due to the darkness. She was fortunate enough to have a couple Good Samaritans and trucks push her Honda Accord out of the nearly waist-deep water so it could begin drying out. Others hopped on the backs of loved ones and waded to higher ground.
I've never seen anything like this since I've been here in Canton, or I think it's all over. 275 is closed in certain areas, so it's a mess.
Tow trucks, of course, making their rounds around Metro Detroit, setting driver after stranded driver free following those severe storms that dumped inches of rain on the area over the last 24 hours. Canton Center and Warren, another trouble spot for motorists during the morning commute, a drive that really proved difficult no matter what route you took.
When I had got off the phone with 911, they said that there's been a ton of stuck cars and stuff, so they should see, hey, we aren't able to get there, and they're still trying to go through.
And this is another live look here in Canton, right at Canton Center Road and Ford Road, where you can see it looks like at least 5 cars that are now stuck in those floodwaters there. Now, the woman you just heard from in my piece, she is obviously hoping for the best for her vehicle that got stuck in those floodwaters. She is hoping that it will eventually be able to run again, and I imagine that is the case with a lot of people whose cars were stuck in the rising waters. They are just hoping for the best, but preparing for the worst. We are live in Canton. I'm Robin Murdoch for Fox 2 News.
And Robin, it is good to see those people are physically okay, but their cars are stuck. It's going to be a major inconvenience. How long is a wait for a tow truck?
Yeah, well, one of those drivers told me, Brandon, that she was told that she would be waiting for at least 5 hours for her tow truck to arrive and to bring her car to another location. So she will likely be missing work today as a result of that, and I imagine a lot of people are in the same boat.